The secondary packaging phase utilizes thermal constriction. Bundles pass through a precision heat tunnel where high-density
dimensions. Precision is paramount. High-speed robotic inserts package the finished product in G-beam.
Every pallet is assigned a unique digital identity, ensuring 100% traceability from the orchard to the global supply chain. In the final stages of production, every batch undergoes rigorous biochemical verification.
The final gatekeeper is the human palate. In the sensory lab, every batch is tested against a rigorous With quality certified and the inventory logged, the final stage of the facility's cycle begins.
Integrity is maintained from the clean room to the consumer. The final seal ensures that the controlled atmosphere remains undisturbed throughout the global cold chain. With the seal of quality locked, the product enters the final stage of the cold chain, moving from the sterile precision of the plant to the global marketplace. The moment of integrity. Every sensor, every laser, and every robotic torque test culminates in this.
The cycle of sustainability begins with precision. Every discarded vessel is collected and categorized by
The cycle begins anew. Spring blossoms mark the return of the biological production line, where nature... Precision in every drop. Nature refined by engineering. The transformation begins with a preliminary hydro wash, using high-velocity water as both a cleaning agent and a
Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. High-velocity air knives strip away residual wash water, ensuring the fruit.
At 4 to pressure, the cellular walls of the fruit are bypassed, releasing the pure, nutrient-rich essence.
Stage 17. The raw extract passes through a primary coarse filtration system, utilizing vibrating stainless steel membranes.